Somehow I feel as if we met back in our past life. Staying waking up with you, we just spent last night together. For years I dreamt upon this moment, and if it had actually happened, I could capitalize on it. Damn, see, you used to be my past wife. I was that guy with you that wasted like 8 lives. So now I'm fighting with my last one. And I did my heart in armor, now I'm loving with a brass one. Like you stand me in need of that sonic, so I won't oversee it. But with love I blaze the chronic. When I'm listening to Usher and you crying, let it burn. To see how we been if I could with this. Will you know my heart burns, baby? Yeah, so you can label this artistic by your standard reading people. So treating me like I'm the media, and I am not your fucking tour, man. Your shoes ain't resting here, so before we get to comfortable, we need disappear, baby. Yeah, I thought that we would spend our life together. I read one through the lines, it seems that you was after cheddar. Yeah, Rihanna, get that umbrella, cause I'ma make it Ricky rain. No shelter, shelter, shelter.
That's how you feel, right? That's how you feel, right? That's how you wanna feel. Ricky rain, take focus.
Somehow I feel as if we met back in our past life. Staying waking up with you, we just spent last night. For years I dreamt upon this moment, and if it had actually happened, I could capitalize on it. See, then you used to be my past wife. I was that guy with you that wasted like 8 lives. So now I'm fighting with my last one. And I did my heart in armor, now I'm loving with a brass one. Knuckles got me in need of that sonic, so I won't OD on speed. The cold with love, I blaze the chronic. When I'm listening to Usher and he crying, let it burn. But see, I would if I could with this. For your love, my heart yearns, baby. Yeah, so you can label this artistic by your standard being people. So treating me like I'm an idiot, and I can not your fucking door. Your shoes ain't resting here, so before we get too comfortable, you really disappear, baby. Yeah, I thought that we would spend our life together. I read one through the lines, it seems that you was after cheddar. Yeah, Rihanna, that umbrella, cause I'ma make it Ricky rain. No shelter, 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 baby.
That's it, right?
I had to give you
It's the right?
overdose. And I hope that you overdose. Shit. Some shit I just can't hold.